Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to overhaul a WordPress website. Let's get started. So there are some reasons why to overhaul a website. It can improve the user experience. It can update the content, the design, add new features, upgrade the website speed, user experience, SEO, site security, and also your website purpose. So in order to overhaul a website, head over and add a plugin. So let's search in here for WP staging. So let's search in here for that. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here some search results related to your search that you have just did. Now in here, what you can do is you can head over and then just click on this WP staging. And then from in there, if you have already installed it, you should be able to see this. So head over and click on this install now right here. And once it's been installed, just head over and then click on the actual activate button that will replace this install now option. So what you can do is head over and then click on this activate option, and then after that, it will activate this particular plugin. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. So what you can do is you can head over right here to your staging and scroll down until you can see these options right here. So you can actually do a lot of things once you have subscribed to their pro plan, and you can also do backup and migration to this, wherein you can put in your local backup, and you can also upload in here an overhaul of the website, and it will overhaul it itself if you want to. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe again so as to reach more people. See you soon.